好的，今天是星期五了，周末有什么计划？阿达，
啊，今天我啊会飞，啊，我从赫辛基到伦敦，
今
我
天还是明天？
明天，
明天
有机明
明
天，
天飞回伦敦。好的，那今天是最后一天的在赫尔辛基的时间了。好的，那我们还是继续，今天我们是继续 HSK 的第11课。我们很长时间了，所以我们还是从第11课开始复习。第11课开始
嗯
啊，复习一下我们上一次看的，第11课。好，第11课我们是别忘了什么什么啊？好，别忘了把空关了。我们想一想别忘了的事情啊。好，练习一下啊，别忘了。Look the character also 啊，别忘了。For example, don't forget to take 或者是 bring 啊，bring your mobile phone. Try 啊，
嗯，别忘了打，no take 拿 take
拿可以，
是
拿可以啊，拿
带，yeah 带，
对的，
嗯，别忘了带你的手机。
对的，带 is the best 啊，别忘了带你的手机。Don't forget your key. Take your key.
啊，别忘了带你的呃钥 key。Why do you forget？是
钥钥，
钥匙，钥匙呀，
别忘了
别
带，
忘了带你的钥匙。
对的，别忘了带你的钥匙。Don't forget to take your earphone.
Earphones so are 嗯
耳机，机，
啊，
耳机啊，耳机。别忘了带你的耳
带
机，
你的
耳
耳机，
耳机，耳机。带。This
别
die
忘了带，
yeah, indeed. Take a look at this die die and another die the number three.
嗯
These two are all die The first die is take bring this. The second one is to wear is wear your earphone.
嗯
So it can be two meanings
嗯
depends on which character. 别忘了带 bring your earphone，或者是别忘了 wear your earphone 别忘了带你的耳机。好，别忘了。And we also practice 把 practice switch off the TV use 把 structure
嗯啊，别呃 switch off the TV。
嗯，
别忘了把嗯关 not switch off 关
对的
，and then
对的，别
电
忘了把电视关了。对的，
关了。
对的，别忘了把电视关了。嗯。Still practice this 把 don't forget clean the room.
打扫房间啊，别忘了把房间打扫了。
很好，别忘了把房间打扫了。Good 别忘了把房间打扫了。嗯，好，别忘了把 practice one more 把don't forget to 嗯 buy the fruits.
Buy the clothes。别忘了把衣服买了。
对的，别忘了把衣服买了。Don't forget to buy your clothes 把衣服买了，别忘了把衣服买了。好的，this is 把，and then 别忘了，好的，we continue with the last time. And we have this character here. What is the first character? This one.
This was it's so familiar, but I forgot.
Yes.
It has the sin.
Yeah, we have
Um,
xin here. Xin.
yeah.
And then on the top of this character, the pronunciation is Wang. Wang.
This is wangji的wang.
对的，忘记的忘啊。This Wang means what?
This one was
This Wang means dead. 死亡 means dead. Dead. So
yeah,
in
because I
Chinese,
forget. Yeah.
yes, no problem. When we think about like you have a dead heart, so your heart cannot remember anymore. We think heart can remember the Asian child. So and then we put a sin underneath. This become post tone. 忘 means to forget. 忘记的忘忘记我忘记了我忘记了 I forget 忘记好Now I forgot my key. Let's practice this again. I forgot my key.
我忘记了，no，忘了。
我忘了。
key 我的钥匙。
对了，我忘了带钥匙啊，忘了带钥匙，忘了带钥匙。I forgot 啊，I forgot my computer.
computer.
Your computer 啊。
我忘了带我的电脑。
我忘了带我的电脑。对的啊，我忘了啊。好的 ，We take a look at this character. Only this one 啊，only this one.
That's 空调，这空。
对的，空调的空啊，空 ，What does it mean? We focus on two meaning 啊，one, two 空。
空，the first meaning was like air.
对的，对的。Second.
And the second meaning,
空啊
was it like sky? No.
Sky also 空天空sky also
yeah.
okay empty is
Yes.
空的 for example 空的箱子空的盒子 empty 空 air 或者是对 air is the main and then empty adjective empty 比如说空盒子空箱子空包然后空气和天空，空气 air 空气 right 空气 the air 天空 sky and then 空调 is the air conditioner 好空气天空空调 now we take a look at this 调
that means like to modify to adjust something like in the picture.
Yes 调means to modify 或者 adjust 调is a verb 调音adjust the tones 空调 adjust the air 空调we have this 调好的then let's continue next part 好的 this part we review characters first let's take a look at these tiles we call it 瓦片 瓦 is the tile 片 is like a slab like this kind of slice 瓦片roof tiles 瓦片and then we take a look at this character this one is Bing means side by side 排 also means side by side. 排 also means to queue 排队 to queue to line 排。好 when we combine this 并 and then this 瓦片的瓦 together, this for pronunciation part, it comes this one 平 per 银平 come to per 银平 平 means bottle 平瓶子 bottle 瓶子瓶子this new character for you 瓶子瓶子好practice a little bit about this character would you please write this 瓶 by yourself on here
Yeah. Okay. So I start from here.
Yes.
Then this,
Yes.
and this, and then here.
Perfect. The order also correct. Very
Oh,
good.
okay.
Yeah. 瓶子瓶子的瓶。好的 good And the other character we need to learn today is this. Indeed, is this 筷子的筷It comes from this bamboo on top. You already learned. And now let's take a look at this 筷筷 we have this 筷right part is 筷. It means this decisive, resolute. When we put this radical, what is this radical? We learned before. It
That's
comes
also
from,
C.
yes, good. It's C is hot radical. When we put this hot radical combined with 快, it becomes to like fast. Pronunciation is 可恶爱快 fast. 可恶爱快 What is the opposite of 快?
It's man.
Yes, it is 慢快 and 慢。好 this is 快 and now we have another character also with this 快 on the right. We learned this character, this radical before. What is on the left radical?
This one. Oh, I think I forgot.
If I write this character, maybe you recognize.
Is it? It's water.
Yes, it's water plus ice, right? It is the 冰 冰 is the ice. 冰 冰 ice
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's ice radical. 水 radical, water radical, we have 3. And 冰 radical, we have
It's
2.
only 2, yeah. Okay, yeah.
And here, this ice radical here, and plus this one. I'm thinking like this one pronunciation is 决决定，比如说我决定明天回伦敦 I decide to do something. 我决定明天回伦敦。我决定学汉语。我决定学习音乐。决定 I make some decision. 决定 verb can be noun also. 决 it means 决快。好的 Indeed, today we need from this one, we need to learn this character. Now is simple for you already. This one, bamboo. What is bamboo? Sorry. Bamboo plus this 筷 is this chopstick. Ada, would you write this character? I can see
That's
that.
筷子。
筷子的筷不忘筷子的筷。
Sorry, I didn't hear you just now. Can you say again?
Would you please write this 筷子的筷?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
筷子的筷。
So I'll start with the bamboo. Like this, and then spin. Oh, sorry, it's not very straight.
No worry.
No, wait. Not sure about the order here.
And then this one.
This one, yeah.
Yes,
And
and
then
next, right.
see?
Good. 筷子的筷 bamboo plus this 筷 become chopstick 筷子很好 good and we continue 筷子this part we also have quite like these characters. Yeah. First we have this nail 钉子的钉 and we plus this radical. What is this radical?
This was
This radical.
money.
Yes, it's money. It's gold metal radical.
Metal.
So
Oh yeah.
gold metal radical. Plus this ding becomes to nail.
Nail.
And this
Yeah.
part important is ding. And then when we put this radical or this character in it, what is this character?
It's火.
Yes, 火 of fire. 火 plus ding becomes to this 灯 light 灯 火 ding 灯. And now we plus this. What is this one?
That's coal.
Yes, 口 plus ding is the sound of the bell. Ding dang the ding. We write this ding dang, the bell sound. Ding ding dang dang, we say. What you need to write here is, let's write this, please write this deng here. Deng.
Okay. So start from here.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Good. That's good. And then this nail, 钉子的钉, can write here. 钉子的钉.
Nail. Okay. So
钉子的
this. Then this.
Perfect. Good. 很好啊。钉子的钉，灯光的灯。好。Then we continue next part. 好的。Now this part we also had it before. Let's try to do it with sentences. And also tell me how do you recognize this one?
That's quite it.
So which part you will choose for 筷子 which one? You link it by yourself indeed.
Okay. So then 用筷子.
用筷子.
And then this the deng. So that will be 开. And you 开灯.
对的，开灯.
Yeah.
Switch on.
And then also 关.
开灯. 关灯. Yeah.
关灯. Okay.
关灯. Switch off. 开灯.
Then there's 瓶子.
瓶子.
瓶子. So that's to wash, right?
Yeah.
Wash.
对的。
瓶子.
瓶子.
And then 坐地铁.
Very good. 坐地铁. They do sentence. How the first one. Please use chopstick. Please use chopsticks.
请用筷子.
请用筷子. 请用筷子. 请用筷子. Let's say, please use chopstick to eat.
请用筷子吃完.
使用筷子吃，或者是使用筷子吃饭。
吃饭。
用筷子吃或吃饭。好。Second one, don't forget to switch off the light.
别忘了关灯.
Good， 别忘了关灯。第三个瓶子use bar structure. Please wash the bottles.
别忘了把瓶子洗了，
瓶子洗了，
洗了。
别忘了把瓶子洗了啊！Don't forget to wash the bottles. 别忘了把瓶子洗了。This word is in the end is a statement 的啊，别忘了把瓶子洗了。Last one. You can take a subway to the museum. 博物馆是 museum 啊，博物馆是 museum，博物馆。Please take a metro to the museum.
请坐地铁去博书博博不是博书博物馆
博物馆。
博物馆。
请坐地铁去博物馆啊，博物馆 museum 博物馆。好，请坐地铁去博物馆。好的，good，好。好的，we continue character 。阿达，这个 inside 这是什么 ？What is this character？
在是冬天的冬。
冬，
It's winter.
对的，冬 winter。Plus this one, it changed the pronunciation and also changed the meaning. What is this 图？What does it mean? 图
The two means I mean I know it's in ditu.
Yes.
Like does it mean map?
图 also means paintings. Like you
Painting.
paint something. Paintings, pictures. 图 means pictures, paintings. 地图 is this one. Map. 地图 And 图书 is the books. 图书 we learn books. 图书 means books. 地图 is this one. Okay, your turn to write this 图 yourself. Left and then this one and then inside. Yeah, and then yeah.
So
Yes. Yes.
in then close.
Close. Very good. 图书地图 We practice these two 图书 and 地图好的。I need to go to buy some books. I need to go to buy some books. 图书
Some books. 我需要买some 一些
Yes.
一些图书。
对的，图书我需要买一些图书 and one map.
和一
Measure
measure
word we use 张like paper 张。
长地图。
Yes，一张地图我需要买一些图书和一张地图 map 地图。好的。We continue look the characters this character the pronunciation is 智I put this one here 智 pronunciation is 智 it means to somewhere For example, today you will tomorrow you will fly from Helsinki to London. So let's put it the sentence here. Tomorrow I will fly from Helsinki to London. From 从
Yeah. 明天我飞从Helsinki去 no 去
Yeah.
London.
We learned 从赫尔辛基到 before 到伦敦 totally okay. And then we practice this 智 look 到 they all get rid of this 到 it become 至啊，the same thing 啊，至伦敦啊，至伦敦。You will see the characters like quite often on the train. 北京至上海啊，but when we say, we quite often say 到啊，至 the same thing 啊，means 到 to 至，北京到伦敦，赫尔辛基到伦敦啊，好，至 means 到 arrive 啊 to。好的，and now let's put this roof on this 至啊。We have roof on this 至 so when you cover it, it becomes this 室。What does it mean 室？那个室
Should is it's something like a building or a room.
Yes. Give me example. What is, for example, you can use this 室
Should
in your bedroom. What do you have?
yeah,
or-
room.
yeah. What about
Um
bedroom? How do you say it? Bedroom.
is it 卧室？
对的，卧室啊，卧室。
卧室
It means inside 啊，卧室 inside，卧室 bedroom。And then, what about classroom?
It's not 教室 No, that's something else.
教室啊，教
Oh,
室。
it is
教师 is the teacher. 教室 is the classroom.
教室
卧室、教室。If I say 图书室，图书室。我
that library.
Yes, book room. Like a
Book
book
room.
room. 图书室 like the room you put books 啊。室 means if I say 休息室 what is it? 休息
like a rest room.
It means you can take a rest, take a break there 啊，休息室。什么什么室啊，什么什么 room 的意思。好，would you please write this 室 by yourself? Take a look. 室
So then not sure if the order is like this.
Yes, that's it. It's correct order from top to the bottom. And this is two, we write this one first, and then this one, and then two. Yeah, good. 房间的意思 ，room 的意思啊。好的，just stop me if you have any question. Then now we come back to this 室 practice 啊，卧室，卧室 bedroom。好，图书室 for books，教室 for the teaching classroom。好的，we practice these three 室 first 好，let's practice the first one 卧室。Please don't forget clean our bedroom.
别忘了打扫
use
我
use
们
also good.
别忘了把我的卧室打算了。
打扫是扫扫。
打算，你看打扫，然后打算，打扫，
What is 打算？
打算 like plan.
Yes, 打算 means plan to do something. 打扫 clean good. 也会把我的卧室打扫了会的。好，to practice second part 图书室。This afternoon I need to go to these book rooms to study. Let's see, book room to study.
今天
afternoon. 今天
afternoon I forgot
啊，下午。
下午。今天下午我要去图书室。Was it to study?
Yeah,
Then 学习。
that's it。今天下午要去图书室啊，图书室学习。好，图书室学习。好的，we learned today this 空 I said 空 have two meanings. Now use that one. This classroom is empty. This classroom is empty.
嗯，这个教室，是空。
呀，是什么什么的啊？是空的。
是空的。
这个教室是空的 is empty 啊。这个教室是空的，是空的。好，教室是空的啊。好的，we take a look when we talk about the 教室 the pronunciation part, we take a look at this one. How do you say teacher?
It's 教室。
Very good. 教师啊 flat tone. 教师 is both tone 啊。教师 teacher 啊，教师this pronunciation part. I put it here. 好的 then we continue. 好，this part we take a look at first here. What we have here. We said the 图书室 we already know. Now let's learn this 图书. We learn this one 啊，馆。馆 is a new character. Maybe you know how to say restaurant.
饭馆。
对的，饭馆啊，饭馆。馆 means also indoor, like 室啊 like a place, indoor 啊，馆。图书馆 means library 啊，馆。Let's take a look at this 馆啊，this 馆馆 number 7 馆。This 馆 means official clerk, work in the government. 馆 and plus this radical. What is the radical on the left?
On the left, that's is that like a food?
Yes,
Radical?
it's food. It's food. Food plus this one becomes to 馆, the pronunciation 馆, the indoor room. 馆 bigger than 室. Normally people think 馆 is bigger than 室. 室 smaller space. 馆图书馆图书馆 library. 饭馆 restaurant. 体育馆 means gymnasium. 体育 means 体育馆。好，馆。You can try this one. We like you do the first this part, and then from top to bottom you can try.
Okay. So
okay. What? Yeah.
And so wait. Sorry, I'll start again. I messed up that one. And so here, then
yes.
Then okay, so it's like that.
Yes.
Okay, no, I'm not too sure the order.
Let's write it together on this one first. And then close the first one.
Oh,
this one. And then this one. And close this one. Yeah.
okay.
馆好的，图书馆。Second character today we need to know is this 借 this 借 借 we take a look at this 借 one person on the left, and then we have this 西 this part means old days. The whole part means old days. 借 together 借 borrow, old land this one in Chinese we use this same character for borrow and lend. We practice this borrow and lend. First one, Ada, please read this one.
我把书借给朋友了。
我把书借给朋友了，借给朋友了。Here, if you can, if you remember, just tell me the meaning in English.
Like I lent a book to a friend.
Yes, yes. 借给 means lend to 把书借给朋友 to friends. Good. 阿达这里
我从朋友那里借了一本书。So I borrowed a book from a friend.
对的。这个从 make it very clear means from someone borrowed a book borrowed 从Now your turn. Make sentence.
我把钱借给朋友了。
我把钱借给朋友Yeah. Second one. 对的Second one. Come borrow money from you.
And then the second one. 从我借了钱。
That's it. 他们从我借了钱他们 borrow money from me. 他们从我借了钱。Another sentence. Let's see what else I borrowed one let's see one CD from my friend.
I borrowed one. Sorry, can you say it again?
Yeah, I borrowed one CD from my friend.
Borrow from a friend. 我从朋友借了一
张major word is 张我从朋友我从朋友借了一张光 CD 一张从朋友
我从朋友借了一
张 CD
一张 CD
那朋友 lend me her CD
朋友从我借了一张 CD
朋友friends lend me a CD
朋友把一张 CD 借给我了。
对的，朋友把一张 CD 借给我了，借给了我都可以借给我了。